Honourable Minister, sir, the impact of your tenure as Minister of the Federal Capital Territory is felt all over the Federal Capital Territory, both remote and central. The body of benchers is very proud of you. Thank you for being our good ambassador. We thank the Honourable Minister of State for the Federal Capital Territory, Dr. Miriam Mahmood, and all the staff of the Ministry for their cooperation and presence at this ceremony. Honourable Minister, sir, I request you to look to your left, to your right, and see the great investments of federal government in infrastructures, particularly the National Open University, the EFCC, the National Medical Center. I wish to apply and pray Your Excellency to consider a fire service facility within this, our expanse of land. So much has been spent, and none of them, by the grace of God, will be consumed by fire. But prevention, they say, sir, is better than cure. So we request, sir, that you consider as an annexure or an addendum or an addition a fire service center. Secondly, sir, we would like to decorate you with our sign of body of benchers. So I request the Vice Chairman, my Lord Justice Ariwoola, the immediate past Chief Justice of Nigeria, and my Lord Justice Walter Onoge, to please come forward and decorate the Honourable Minister with our sign. Honourable Minister, sir, may I invite you? Please clap for them. Clap for the Honourable Minister. He deserves it.
Your Excellency, Chief Nyesom Wike, CON, this flag is presented to Your Excellency to commemorate this flag of ceremony of construction of additional facilities within the body of benchers complex. Today, the 6th day of December 2024. Congratulations.